Yes, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the basics of DJing. So guys, before you start, you need a laptop, headphones and a controller. There are so many different controllers out there, but for today's video we're going to be using the Pioneer DJing SZ. We'll run through the basics of this controller, which will apply to any controller you have. So it doesn't matter which controller you have, the basics that we'll run through will apply to your controller. The first thing I want to show you or go through with you is the play button, play or pause button. The next one up from there is the cue button. So basically the cue button is a button for the point where you want to start your music from. So if we skip it a bit forward and we press the cue button again, it's going to cue it from that point. So that's the essence of the cue button. The next one up from there is the jog wheel. It can be used for so many different things. The first thing can be used to stop the music. Stop the music. It can also be used to scratch. So for every scratching purpose, it can be used for scratching. The next thing up from there is when you're playing your song and you want to bring the tempo a bit down to beat match your song, if you put it up, it slows the songs down. If you put it down, it makes your song go faster. So again, if you bring it down, it makes your song go faster. If you put it up, your song slows down. The next thing on the controller I want to show you is the volume control. So the volume control 1 is for the left hand side. So that controls everything on the left hand side. And on that same line, we've got the cue button for the headphone. So whatever is playing out on this side, on the headphone, we can listen to it on the headphone. I'll explain further how you use these two buttons here. Next thing up from there is the bass. So if you bring that down, it takes out the bass from the song. Then you've got your mids. Then from there, you've got your tops. Then your gain or your volume control for that side. So it's the same as that volume control here, but it's essentially like your master for your channel here. So that's your channel 1. Okay? Whatever is applying on the left hand side is the same on the right hand side. So the bass on the left, the mids on the left, the mids on the right is the same thing on the left as the same thing on the right. Next thing up from there is a crossfader. This is what you use to crossfade the song from the left to the right. So if I go to the right and I press play, it plays the song on the right hand side. And like I said, everything that happens on the left is the same thing that happens on the right. So I'll just walk you through it quickly. So the bass, again, mids, tops, and then the gain control. They do the same thing on the left as the right. As the volume control there, and then a crossfader. Crossfader again crosses the songs over. Then we've got our master volume for the whole controller. This is our master volume for the whole controller. So if we have our song in the middle and we bring that down, it brings the whole volume of both channels down. So both the right and the left will be down. We bring it up, both volumes will come up. Now to go into mixing two songs together, I'm going to explain to you how music works. Then you can use that to apply to any mixing. So how I learned was I was taught to count to 16, then mix the song in. So I'm going to pass on that knowledge that I learned on to you. If you count to 16, because songs are made in bars. So if you count to 16, which fits a chorus of any song, you can mix a song in. So we've queued up two songs on our deck today. One on the left has a BPM of 110, and then the one on the right has a BPM of 106. Right? What we're going to do is we're going to mix the song from the left. We're going to play the song from the left and mix the song from the right into it. So to do that, first we have to play our song on the left. Turn the volume up a bit. Then what we'll do is, since our song on the right is 106, what we have to then do is bring our tempo, our pitch fader down to 110 to match both BPMs. Then all we have to do is now start counting to 16, like I said. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. We'll bring our crossfader in. And whenever you're ready to cross over, you bring your lows down or your bass. You take out from the one from the left and cross over. Right, let's try again this time. I'm going to bring the tempo to 111 on this side. Start the song from the top and press play. Now we're going to mix this song in. So what do? We have our song 110 here. The one playing is 111. So we have to bring this down to 111 to meet the same tempo. Go to the start of the song. When we get to the chorus or where we want to mix the song in, we start counting in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it. Looking on the screen, both lines are equal. So our mix is in sync. We take our lows down. We're ready to cross over. Nice and easy. Now, remember when I said the Q button for the headphone, I'll explain further. So as that song is playing on the left, we don't really need to listen to what's playing on the left because that's what's playing out already. So the audience is already listening to what's playing on the left. So this time around, I'm gonna bring the pitch down all the way to 109, okay? So this time around, we will have to slow down our song on the right hand side. It's on 111 now. So we'll go all the way to 109. And then, using our headphone, we'll listen to the song playing on the right. That's what this button is for, and the headphone. That's when you know when to bring your song in. Same counting procedure. Count to 16, bring your song in. So we press play. Then we start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and easy. Slowly cross over. We like it. Just one more time. If you didn't catch it, I'll do one more time. Now I've moved the pitch to 110. So again, listening to it on the headphone, bring it down to 110. Go to the start of the song. When I'm ready to count in, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Nice. Nice and easy. So that's it basically, guys. The basics of DJing. If you need any further assistance on the basics I've shown you today, if you didn't get anything, my email is in the description. So shoot me an email or follow me on social media, Instagram. Just message me and I'll help you with anything. We'll go further into the advanced stages in other videos. I'll show you furthermore on different techniques on how to mix different tempos. So make sure you like, subscribe, and watch out for more videos coming from me. Thank you.